Have you ever wondered what truly happens to your body if you decide to take a break from sugar, even for just 2 weeks? The changes can be quite remarkable and profoundly beneficial for your long-term health. Let's explore the powerful ripple effect this simple choice can have. First, you'll likely notice a significant reduction in your cravings for sweets. This happens because every time we consume sugar, our body releases a hormone that can cause a rapid drop in blood sugar, leading to a state of low blood sugar or hypoglycemia. This dip is what triggers those powerful urges for more sugar. By removing sugar from your diet, you help stabilize your blood sugar levels, effectively eliminating the root cause of these cravings. Beyond cravings, you'll probably find yourself feeling less hungry overall. Sugar often keeps us in a cycle of constant hunger. When you step away from it, your blood sugar becomes more stable, allowing your cells to receive proper nourishment. When we consume too much sugar, the body can start to resist insulin, a hormone that helps sugar get into your cells. This insulin resistance essentially blocks your cells from getting the fuel they need, even if there's plenty of sugar in your bloodstream. Giving up sugar can help reverse this resistance, allowing your body to absorb not just fuel more efficiently, but also vital nutrients, minerals, and vitamins. Another common experience is a noticeable reduction in fatigue, particularly after meals. If you've been regularly consuming sugar, you might be familiar with that sluggish, tired feeling that often follows eating. This food coma is often linked to blood sugar fluctuations. When your blood sugar is more balanced, your brain receives a steady supply of energy, leading to sustained alertness and a clearer, more focused mind throughout the day. You may also observe changes in your body composition, specifically losing excess water and fat. During the first week, many people shed a considerable amount of retained fluid. Some individuals have reported losing upwards of 10 pounds of water. This fluid retention can put unnecessary strain on your heart. After this initial water loss, your body will begin to burn more fat. You might find your clothes fitting more loosely, especially around your midsection, as a shrinking waistline is often one of the clearest indicators of reduced sugar intake. Your mood and cognitive function can also see a significant boost. If you felt irritable or stressed, you might find yourself becoming calmer and more even-tempered. Many people report improved focus, concentration, and a greater ability to pay attention to tasks, making you feel sharper and more engaged. Even your skin can benefit. You might notice a clearer complexion and a healthier glow. When insulin levels are consistently high due to sugar consumption, it can sometimes lead to hormonal imbalances, which can manifest as skin issues. Reducing sugar can help restore this balance, leading to healthier looking skin. Furthermore, you could experience less stiffness and inflammation throughout your body. One of the profound shifts that occurs when you reduce sugar is that your body begins to convert its primary fuel source from sugar to fat. This transition typically takes about 3 days. During this initial period, Some people might experience temporary symptoms as their body adapts, but these can often be eased by ensuring you get enough B vitamins and potassium. As your cells build new enzymes to run on fat, you'll likely notice a decrease in inflammation, which can translate into less pain and greater flexibility. This reduction in inflammation is particularly beneficial for your arteries, potentially lowering the long-term risk of conditions like stroke and heart attack. Remarkably, your brain health may also improve. When you reduce sugar, your body starts producing ketones as an alternative fuel. These ketones are known to support the growth and health of nerve cells, contributing to better brain function. Your liver, a vital organ, also gets a much-needed cleanse. By cutting out sugar, you help your liver shed accumulated fat, reducing the risk of a fatty liver condition. In fact, a larger belly is often a sign of a fatty liver, so reducing sugar can directly contribute to its improvement. Finally, your kidneys can function more effectively. For individuals concerned about kidney health, particularly those with conditions like diabetes, reducing sugar and carbohydrates can significantly enhance kidney function and overall well-being. Trying this 2-week shift away from sugar can unlock a cascade of positive changes for your body and mind. It's an accessible step that can lead to profound improvements in how you feel every day.